Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Queen Elizabeth II Australian coin, year 2001, 20 cents. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay, let's continue. The 20 cents coin from 2001 featured Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and were part of the centenary of Federation series on the reverse with different estate or territory design. There is no single design for the 2001 20 cents, but rather 9 different designs issued by the Royal Australian Mint or RAM to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Australia's Federation in 1901. So, and what is the coin details? Year 2001 mint de- denomination 20 cents. Designer, the reverse design were created by Australia's school student as part of a national competition. Purpose to celebrate the centenary of Federation. What is the Australia's coin worth? This super 20 cents coin was issued to celebrate 100 years since the Federation of Australia as part of a 9 coin series. It is a unique 1 year only type and was struck by the Royal Australian Mint. The 2001 coin of Queen Elizabeth 20 cents has an error too. So let's see what is the error. The 2001 centenary of Federation coin with rotation error can be worth a collectible or a valuable coin. The rotation error means that if you flip the coin and the queen's head is not upright, you found something special. So the error coin, guys, is one of the most difficult to find. So I don't think I have one. I have two Queen Elizabeth year 2001, but I don't know. This one is also one here. So anyway, guys, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you very much.